my hope is that AI becomes that colleague who never gets tired, who never gets overwhelmed, and never asks you to send another calendar invite for a meeting that it could be solved in 3 minutes if you just picked up the phone instead. The thing with AI is the more you work with it, the more it learns your mind, your rhythm, your voice, and your world. It goes back to practice, right? It goes back to you using all of the things I just mentioned today and putting it into practice. Because at the end of the day, you want your workflow and your workload to get lighter, to be able to get the type of outputs from your inquiries that makes sense so that you don't have to constantly go back 1,000 times for the answer you're looking for. So all of that really prepares you for this next step, for this agentic AI usage that doesn't necessarily replace thinking, but it definitely can scale it.